Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a video to your Squarespace website. So here you can see that I am on the Squarespace editor. So if I want to add a video on this section, so I will delete this image, and then if you want to upload a video you need to click on add block on the top left, and then here you need to click on video. So after clicking it you will see a video player. If you want to add a video you need to click on the pencil icon, and then here you will need to add a video. You need to click on the plus icon, and then either you can upload a file from your computer or you can choose from the library. So I will upload my file from my computer. So I will select my file, and then after that it will take some time to upload. So here you can see that my video has been uploaded. So once you are done, if you want to reposition it, you will need to double click and then move it around. You can change the size of the video as well. And if you want to play the video, you need to click on the play icon, and this will play the video. If you want to save your changes, you need to hover your mouse to done and then click on save. So there you go, your video has been added and it is playing. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.